Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuloyan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan. Daradat, ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Di akalayong magkakastuhan. Ikaw ang napupusuan.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single ladies over here. Woo-woo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy eligible bachelors one by one. So, kung napupusuan yung ating sexy single, feeling nyo magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi nyo siya masyadong type or di kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Elias, I'm 25.
Okay, Elias. Anong job mo? Or what do you do for a living?
I'm a Viva artist.
Oh, okay, you're an actor.
Yes,
okay.
and I'm also a Philippine Army Reserve, Philippine Army, and then I'm an IT graduate.
Okay. Alright, ang daming ginagawa.
Kaya nga, sobra.
Busy. Okay, so ano namang hobbies mo? Or what do you like to do for fun?
Running, cycling, I love sports. Actually, sobra. Kanina, pagising ko pa lang, nag-run na ako.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And sana may makasama ako tumakbo, di ba?
Okay, parinig lang dyan. Mga mahilig mag-run. Just putting it out there. Okay, so anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality?
Una-una, siyempre, mabait siguro.
Okay.
Lahat naman siguro,
Siguro.
di ba? Lahat naman,
Okay.
pero God-fearing.
Okay, mabait daw sila, narinig ko.
Oo. Magkakasundo tayo, di ba?
Okay, so physical, anong hanap mo?
Wala naman sa physical.
Okay, sure?
Yes.
Okay. Ano mga deal breakers mo? Or para sa'yo, pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro sumasagot sa magulang.
Okay. So, someone respectful dapat sa parents.
Kasi binabago ko na yun. Actually, hindi ko ako din kasi dati. Inuunti kasi nga, yung values natin bilang tao.
Binabago mo sa self mo yun. So,
Yes,
gusto mo yung partner mo ganun din.
Oo.
I see. Okay, well, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
2 balloons?
Yes.
Wala po ba akong parang...
Wala.
Sorry, oy,
Tatlo pa
grabe.
yung gusto. Uy, dalawa lang.
Hindi, kasi di ko pa sila nakikilala.
Oh, you can go, take a walk.
Sama-
Take a look. Hindi, okay lang ako dito. Ikaw muna. Yeah, pwede ka mag-balloon back in case later.
Wala akong... Parang kasi nga, nahihiya ako. Iba. Meron bang call a friend? Parang, deal or no deal, Piolo? Joke lang.
But, call a friend talaga. Go ahead. 10, 9,
Joke lang.
8, 6, 5. Isa pa.
May 1.
4, 3, 2, 1. Parang iiyak ka na.
Kaya nga, nahihiya. Grabe. Tropa tayo, Sige, tropa tayo.
Pwede mo naman ibalik later eh. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's go over here. Hello. So your name, your age, and your job.
Hi, my name is Kiara, 25, student po.
So bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Di ba yun yung pipiliin? joke lang.
Ano? Ba't siya? Out of everyone?
I don't know, you have this aura na maganda na nakikita ko agad kahit sa peripheral ko.
Okay.
So, hindi siya nagme-make sense yung sinasabi ko right now, pero... 1, 2, joke lang. I don't
Binilangan
know
yung
why.
sarili.
Bigla lang din kasi sabi niyo po, para mamili lang po ako. So,
Okay,
namili lang
so
talaga.
walang
Parang valid
reason.
reason.
So maganda naman siya for you.
Yes.
Okay, does that mean you wanna give her a balloon back or ano?
Meron
Or
po
set
ba
ka na ba sa
agad?
decision? Ikaw ba, may response ka sa sinabi niya?
Wala, thank you. Nagandahan niya ako eh.
Oo!
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
Oh, balloon back or no?
Sige, hindi muna, sorry.
Ay, hindi na, set ka na sa decision mo.
Hindi talaga. You're open?
I mean, kahit anong sabihin mo, it's okay. Sabihin mo yung nasa isip mo.
Hindi lang talaga. Ayoko lang talaga. Yun lang.
Ayaw mo lang talaga na i-date siya, ganon. Bakit?
Sa isip ko lang, Wala, parang, no.
Nafe-feel mo lang na gano'n.
Ayaw ko, parang may gut feeling lang. Okay.
Okay, any response to that?
Thank you.
Wala po.
Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi, okay na ako.
Ayan.
Oh, tampo na!
I'm Thea. I am 21 years old po, and I'm psychology student 4th year.
Okay, so bakit siya yung isa mo... Hello?
Ay, thank you
Siya
po.
pa yung isa mong piniling i-pop?
Kasi, maangas ka po. Angas.
Oh,
Eh, sa
okay.
tingin ko, magiging tropa ko talaga. Best friend tayo, mama. Sa tingin ko talaga, as
Sige,
in.
at least may best friend na akong artista.
Uy, uy.
So, masyado siyang masculine for you to date, ganon?
Oo, nakikita ko siya as friend. Best friend nga, tropa eh.
Ikaw, ganun ba sa kanya? Like, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi rin naman po. Parang mas okay pa kami magtropa.
Kasama mo.
What gave you the tropa vibe?
Siguro po yung the way na medyo lutang siya din kanina, ganun. Tapos, ayun, sa vibe din naman po talaga. Pero gusto ko yung retired, ano siya, ang tawag dun?
Reserve.
Research, sorry.
Sorry, actually inactive o retired.
Reserved. Ayun, gusto ko yung mga military.
Thank you so much. Naparetire ka bigla. Okay, so we
Thank you,
still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So ngayon magtanong ka naman ng isang question to get to know them better.
Are you a papa's girl or a mama's girl?
I'm Kyle, 30, teacher. I am a mama's girl. Kasi po lahat ng problema, nasasabi ko sa kanya. So, parang pag nasasabi natin yung problem natin, mas maluwag siya, mas nakahagaan. So, sa mama ko po.
Even problems sa love life.
Yes, lahat.
Hi, I'm Bree, 24, and I manage a rental business. I think both lang. Walang aangat.
Okay lang, hindi
just the
nanonood.
same.
Hindi nanonood. Ay, joke lang.
Hi, I'm Sia. I'm 21. I'm a psychology student and I work part-time sa isang theater company. More on ate's girl ako. Kasi sa family namin, yung sinundan kong ate, yun yung close ko. Pero meron din akong closest with my mom and my dad. Kasi yung dad ko naman, OFW siya. And yung mom ko din, dati siyang police woman. Tapos ngayon nagsistay kami na kami-kami lang. So parang mas close ko yung ate ko.
Hi, I'm Nicole, 26, sales research assistant. I'm a tita's girl kasi I'm an only child, tapos both of my parents are OFWs, so I grew up without them around, kaya mas close ako sa tita ko.
Hi, I'm Aya. I'm a registered medical technologist, but I actually work as a VA. I'm a mama's girl. Minsan, we're like sisters already. If she has a problem, she would go and, Nak, busy tayo. Chichika ko, inaway ako. Or like something like that. Or, Nak, yung kapatid mo, pakalitan mo. Sinong nanay ngayon? So, ayun. Like, we're just really close. So, I can tell her everything and anything. Love life, galit ko sa mundo, or just really anything.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry, may tanong ako bago ko po ipapakita.
Hindi bawal.
Bawal?
Hindi, ano?
Bawal. Okay.
Go lang!
Sorry.
Ano ba talaga?
Sorry, may parents ka.
Meron, pero kasi yung dad ko, lumaki ako na wala talaga siya sa, kasi nag-work siya overseas, so recently lang sila bumalik. Tapos yung mom ko, employed pa rin siya sa Middle East, pero yearly siya bumabalik. Pero yun nga, mas lumaki kasi ako kasama sa tita ko.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Oh! Oh, okay. All right, so before you pop a balloon, let's find out kung ba't siya nag-pop ng balloon. Okay, hello. So bakit ka nag-pop?
Ano po, para siyang baby. Baby pa siya. Kasi 30 na ako, baka gawin mo akong ate.
Okay.
Pag yan ang
Okay lang.
baby nila.
Thank you.
Ano bang age gap nyo?
5 ba?
5.
I'm 30
Tama ba siya doon? Feeling mo, mas magiging baby ka sa relationship pag ganun?
Di ba, kaya ko naman maging daddy. Joke lang. Pero okay lang.
Ay, okay. I'll just leave
naiintindihan ko
now.
naman.
Bye. Okay, does that change your mind at all?
Okay nga.
Okay ka na. Okay, but if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yes!
Sige po.
Okay, how about you? Type mo ba sana siya kung hindi siya nag-pop?
Opo.
Ano yun?
Pag matanda na siya.
Hintayin
Bumuha ko
mo
matanda.
siya.
Okay lang.
So kung wari kung 35 ka na, tapos siya 30, okay na sa'yo?
So,
Okay, hintayin mo siya. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since nag-pop na siya, isa na lang ang ipapop mo. Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, so bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
Kasi yung tanong ko kanina is, are you a papa's girl or mama's? Tapos ang sagot niya is,
Ate's girl.
Sorry. Siguro, na-build up ko lang yung sarili ko na accurate question sa accurate.
Gusto mo talagang pipili siya one or the other lang? Okay, and your response to that?
Okay.
Very cute. You're very, very cute. Ganda ng mata mo.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Parang, hindi po.
Bakit naman?
Natatakot lang po ako mag-pop ng balloon. Pero parang, hinantay ko na lang po talaga. Pero kasi parang masyado siyang mabait.
Ganun. Ayaw mo sa mabait?
Gusto ko naman po ng mabait, pero parang sobrang bait niya po kasi.
Ang mga ba mabait? Ah, naku, bad boy ako.
Ay, bad boy ka ba talaga?
Joke lang. Sakto lang.
Nagtingin na lang kami paano nangyari. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Oo, ang ganda ng mata mo. Actually, nangungusap.
Theater eh.
Actually.
Okay, so dahil lang doon sa answer niyo na yun.
Yes.
Okay, well, we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So ngayon, magtanong ko ng isa pang question.
Ano mas gusto niyo, pusa or aso?
Okay, deal breaker ba pag mali yung sagot?
Hindi naman.
Preference lang kung
Preference
ano.
lang.
Okay, let's go over here.
I'm a dog lover.
I prefer dogs kasi parang mas trip ko yung energy nila compared to cats.
I have both actually. I have cats, I have dogs. So if I get to pick either, I feel like I'm betraying my kids. So I'd rather pop than answer that.
Wag naman. Okay, so equal love lang for them. Okay. All right, so based on those based on those answers, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
Kaya nga eh.
Siya yung natakot eh. Alam, hinahag mo kasi yung balloon.
Sumunggap eh.
Okay, balik tayo doon.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Peer pressure?
Peer pressure? Hindi.
Actually,
Sa sagot niya ba? Or sa energy niya? Ano ba?
parang hindi mo ako magugustuhan. Parang ganun yung kasi ang galing mo mag-English. Ako, talagang
Dahil doon? Tama ba siya doon?
It's not because of you. It's because of your age. Kanina ko pa i-pop. Gusto i-pop, pero kita mo naman natakot ako.
Oo nga eh. Kaya sumunggab pa ako eh, no?
So, hindi mo lang pinapop kasi natatakot ka mag-pop ng balloon. Pero kanina pa sana. Eh, kung hindi sa age, type mo ba sana siya?
How tall are you?
How tall are you? No, in person naman to.
Hindi, may mataas to eh.
No, I think you're good looking, and I think I would need to know more about you before I can judge. But physically, I think that you're attractive naman.
Thank you.
So, what age kasi is like...
Ano, 84 ka na.
No, I'm 27 this year.
Oh! Hey, joke lang.
Boses ba? Gusto mo ganito ba?
Ganito lang, syempre.
Ganito na lang ba?
Tropa.
Oh, sige, sige.
Sige kayo mag-away. Okay. O, pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya kung hindi?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Pero set na tayo doon?
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Pare, ikaw na ba?
Okay, so we still have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung okay ka ba na match for them.
Okay po.
Okay, so over here, what's your question for our sexy single?
You're a Viva artist, diba? So you're an artista. Are you very active?
Now? Oh.
So how will you handle your time with work and personal relationships?
Actually now, ngayong araw lang, patunay, gumising ako na nagsimba, nag-gym, then may badminton pa. Dun sa lahat ng schedules na yun, lahat yun importante. Pero kaya ko i-set aside para sa'yo. Actor talaga yun. Parang, ayoko na.
Oo nga
Hindi,
eh.
pero,
Anong script to?
pero
Genuine yun.
time management din.
Okay. Is that good with you or may follow-up ka ba?
No, I like the answer naman.
What's your greatest fear in life?
Losing my parents, na hindi ko pa nabibigay yung pangarap ko para sa nila. Kasi yung mama ko, may passport siya na hindi pa nagagamit. And sabi ko, pag ako naging best actor, ganun talaga yan, no? Mag-iibang bansa kami. Kasi I do believe that itong araw na to, may purpose to. And yung araw-araw na binibigay ko, ginagalingan ko, wala akong karapatan magpahinga para sa kanila. Kinakatakot ko lang, hindi ko mabigay para sa kanila yung pangarap ko naman sa kanila.
Thank you for sharing that. Okay, so since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the floor is yours. I would like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Gusto ko lang, clarify na lahat kayo ay kapili-pili. Sana walang magabang sa akin dyan sa labas. Nakatingin ako sa'yo.
Siya specifically?
Oo, yun. Mahal ko kayo. Ayan.
Okay, love agad? Wow.
Kaya nga, no?
Okay, go. Okay. So, bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Ewan ko, may something sa kanya na nakatingin sa akin na, okay.
Natatypan mo talaga siya.
Ang ganda ng mata niya din. Actually, more on mamata talaga ako. Yung mapili ako sa mata.
I
Actually,
see.
lahat naman.
Eh, okay, biglang binawi. Pero may something special sa mata niya.
Oo.
Okay. O, any response sa sinabi niya? Marco, ba type mo ba siya?
Sakto lang po.
Ba't naman sakto?
Kasi based sa values niya, like I said, hindi talaga ako kasi family-oriented na tao. Tsaka, hindi kasi ako mahilig magsimba.
Is that a problem for you pag hindi mahilig magsimba yung person? person?
Siguro maging magkaibigan tayo mamaya. Ngayon, actually.
Mamaya na
sama
lang.
sa akin. Oo nga. Hindi naman ako sa... Sama!
Okay, barkada ka
Tatlo
na.
tayo!
Okay.
O, diba, sumama na kayo. Sama na ako.
Okay, ang dami niyang friends.
Oo.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, so before we proceed, may final questions pa ba kayo para sa isa't isa?
Di ba nag-handle ka ng business? So, how would you handle love naman?
I can handle anything in life. I'm that responsible.
Oh. And I also can handle you.
Okay. Naghahanap ka ba ng someone to handle you?
Pwede. It's hard to handle me.
Okay. Sab?
Hindi,
Joke lang.
Uy! Hindi, kaya niya yan. May final question ka pa para sa kanya or you're good?
I'm good.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Apo.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
Uy!
Okay. Thank you. Okay lang. Yeah, wala na. Tinapos mo na eh.
Type ko sana siya.
Oh, tapos?
Like, I really like him. Like, you're very guwapo and you're tall also naman. Ano kasi, he's an artista. Ang hirap nun. Like, nasa likod lang ako. What if magka-love team siya? Ayoko nasa likod lang ako. Like, what if I watch his shows? Para akong fan na nakaganyan. You get what my point? Hindi mo ako mapapublic.
Open ka ba to love teams or hindi ka mag-accept ng love team?
Actually, gusto ko maging action star eh.
Action star na may love team, papayag ka?
Oo. Kasi pangarap ko yun actually. Kung hindi ko re-respetuhin yung pangarap ko, paano ko re-respetuhin yung pagmamahalan natin? So, di ba?
Okay. Anything else to add?
Yun, mahirap lang yun. Kasi, syempre gusto mo ikaw lang. I'm not the salosa type of girl, pero, iba kasi pag yung public alam na, kunyari, love team kayo, tapos, syempre nakakaano. Okay ka sana eh. Okay sana siya.
Hindi, okay lang.
Yun lang.
Malit.
Okay. All right. Well, unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you, for joining.
Okay.
You can still get my IG daw. Okay, so there's a chance. Okay.
thank you.
Well, thank you so much for joining. I hope
Thank
you can join
you.
again next time.
Thank you.
Babay na sa tropa mo. Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi!
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.
Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Victor, 30 years old, events host and a freelance model, and taong mahilig humugot.
Oh, humugot. Okay, sample ng hugot.
Alam mo, kahit na mahilig tayong sumakay sa Ferris wheel, hindi kita papaikutin sa buhay ko.
Biglang nag-pop after nun, hoy! Okay, mukhang di sila mahilig sa Ferris wheel or hugot lines. Okay, ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Mag-gym, magbasa ng libro, and syempre play badminton.
Okay, ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality?
Syempre, understanding, sarap magluto,
Okay.
and yung taong ka-vibe ko, masaya.
Okay. Anong gusto mong lutuin niya?
Adobo.
Adobo. Okay. Ano namang deal breakers mo?
Deal breakers ko yung hindi marunong mag-appreciate, yung judgmental, and syempre yung taong masyadong mahilig magwalwal, ganun. Okay lang yung moderately, pero...
Moderate walwal. Oh, ay, paano yan? Okay.
I'm
Hoy,
sorry.
mga nagwawalwal pala itong line-up natin. Anyway, anything else to add?
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay. Alright. So mukhang may mga nag-pop sa ating line-up. So let's go over here and find out kung bakit.
Hi, I'm Kyle, 30, teacher. Nagpapa ko kasi kung gusto mo yung pinaglulutuan ka, ako ay hindi pa ganun karunong magluto. So, yun lang naman sa.
Required talaga na nagluluto.
Hindi naman, actually, marunong din naman ako magluto, so
Okay.
I can cook for other. And yung sinabi kong mahilig magwala, okay lang naman yung moderately, wag lang yung linggo-linggo, ganun.
Okay.
Oo.
Hindi naman daw
Understanding naman ako sa mga bagay-bagay. And nagbabar din ako actually. What
Okay.
I am telling is, may niligawan kasi ako before na sobrang lakas niya uminom.
Oh,
And
okay.
okay lang sa akin yung happy-happy na kahit moderately sasamahan pa kita, wag lang parang lagi-lagi na mas malakas yung pang sa akin.
Okay. So may limit lang, gano'n. Okay.
Just go with the ano lang din, flow. Understanding na naman ako sa partner ko. And gusto ko, kung may mga misunderstanding, na pag-uusapan natin yun.
Okay. Pero in her case, about cooking, okay ka naman na ikaw magluluto sa relationship
Oo naman,
nyo.
Marunong ako magluto.
Oh, does that change your mind at all? Okay lang, so ayaw mo na. O bakit naman?
Good na po ako. Good na.
Pero type mo ba sana siya kung hindi niya sinabi yun?
Sakto lang.
Bakit naman sakto lang?
Mukha naman siya malinis, pero yung vibes.
Ano bang vibe niya for you?
Ang playful niya. Parang friendly siya sa lahat ng babae. Ganun.
Magsaselos ka pag gano'n?
Hindi naman po.
Totoo ba na friendly ka ba sa lahat ng girls?
Friendly ako, and siguro hindi lang tayo match, pero friendly ako in terms sa, kung friendly ako sa ibang tao, syempre exempted dun sa magiging love ko. Kasi I give special connection sa tao kung sa girlfriend ko. Iba yung connection na ibibigay ko versus more than dun sa mga
Ibang tao.
friends. Syempre, bakit ka pa nag-girlfriend kung same attention lang din yung ibibigay mo sa lahat? Syempre, I want to give that special connection dun sa babaeng mamahalin.
Ayun naman pala daw. Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi po.
O hindi naman pala, ang dami nating explanation. O bakit?
Siguro kung hindi nagmamatch yung personality natin, ako kasi, to be honest, friendly ako, responsible, and hardworking ako na tao. Nagsimula kami sa mahirap na buhay. Well, actually, to share it with you, wala man sa itsura ko, pero nagsimula kami sa pagtitinda ng basahan in a very humble beginnings.
Feeling mo, hindi kayo magmamatch sa personality?
Feeling ko hindi lang kami match.
Hi, I'm Bree, 24, and I manage a rental business.
So, bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Well, when he said walwal, I'm literally at the club every week. Yeah, sometimes twice a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Gary lang.
Okay, how about you? Type mo ba sana siya kung hindi yun yung ginagawa niya every week?
Well, in the look, siguro okay. Pero kung ganun, siguro it's not.
Hindi din talaga.
Hello, I'm Sia. I'm 21 po. I'm still a student and I work part-time sa isang theater company. Nahilo po sa Ferris wheel.
So dahil dun sa line niya na Ferris wheel, nag-pop ka.
It's not given. Oh! Sorry.
Pag ibang line, okay sa'yo?
Opo, siguro.
May baon ka pa ba iba dyan?
Alam mo, dati akong avatar eh.
Bakit?
Marunong ako mag-fire bending, air bending. Marunong din akong bigyan ka ng happy ending.
Parang di pa rin yata pasado sa kanya.
Hindi siguro sa...
Any comment? Okay. Alright. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya? Type mo
Oh,
ba
you're
sana
cute,
siya?
actually.
Okay. Sure ka na doon? And?
Chubby, sexy.
Okay. Final ka na doon?
Hi, my name is Kiara, 25, student.
So, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I don't know, pero nakornihan ako sa Ferris wheel mo.
Kahit yung avatar.
Even the avatar, bro. It's not
Ikaw, can you give me
given.
some hugot lines? Can you give me some hugot lines?
Wala, kasi nga korne.
So, wala din siyang lines. Ayaw niya daw. Pero kung hindi siya nag-lines ng ganun, type mo pa sana siya?
Still no.
Bakit?
Kasi kuya ko 32 years old na eh. Tapos 30, kalapit lang. Hi, kuya.
Kuya Zone. Okay. Ikaw ba? Type mo pa sana siya?
No.
Oh, bakit?
Parang nababasa ko sa kanya na easily to judge siya and hindi nagpa-vibe yung match namin.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm a sales research assistant. I'm 26 years old. So, kaya ako nag-pop kasi hindi ako nagluluto ng Filipino food eh. Pati may motion sickness ako.
Sa Ferris wheel. Okay. Oh, pero kanina na-mention niya, di ba, na okay lang na siya yung magluto sa relationship. So, does that change your mind?
Hindi rin ako mahilig sa Filipino food eh.
Okay. Filipino food lang ba niluluto mo?
Opo, Filipino food.
Okay. And?
Pati kasi yung sa Avatar. Parang lakas maka-Fire Nation na lang kung ganun yung pick-up line kasi.
Ayaw mo sa Fire Nation?
Gusto kasi kasi yung pangit ang pick-up line niya.
Okay. Any response to that?
It's fine. Para sa akin, yung mga lines naman na yun, kung talagang para sa tamang tao, para sa tamang tao.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya if she didn't say that?
Ayos lang naman. She looks like a decent woman and mukha naman siya mabait.
Okay. Perfect. Set ka na. Ba't ka tumatawa?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, let's not find out.
I am Thea po. I am 21 years old. I am psychology student 4th year.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Feeling ko po yung sa pick-up lines din. Pero sabi mo nga naman na kung may tamang tao para doon na lang siya. Pero hindi kasi ako yung tamang tao so.
Any comment on what she said?
No.
Pero ikaw, type mo pa sana siya. No. Yes or no lang?
No.
Bakit?
Mas gusto ko yung our vibe doesn't match lang din.
So, mas feminine, ganun. Okay. Any response to that?
Okay lang naman po. Mahanap na lang ako ng ibang kayang i-tolerate yung pagiging masculine ko.
Hi, I'm Aya. 27 years old this year. I'm a registered medical technologist, but working as a executive virtual assistant. Sorry, you're just really not my type, and it's preference lang. So,
In what way?
okay. First and foremost, I do think our vibes does not match it in terms of seeing the other person as a man, I guess. For me, I think I'm looking for something that would like help my being independent woman na medyo mag-subside. I mean, I'm not entirely looking for a man to tame me, but it's just that whenever I feel that I'm tired or like parang, ate ko, pagod na ako maging independent. Baka gusto mong take over ka muna, sis. He can take it. At saka, ang final blow is yung, sorry, yung Ferris wheel mo po talaga.
Yung Ferris wheel, hindi mo kinaya.
Hindi ko, medyo intense siya for me. Hindi ko kinaya yung atake mo. So, I'm so sorry.
Pero in terms of sa personality, feeling mo hindi siya masculine enough to, let you be your feminine self? Ganun ba?
I can't really entirely judge you as of the moment since this is the first time that we've met. But what I can say is parang it would take really a long time before I think that I can assess that with the vibes that we have with each other. Feel ko kasi para kitang katagalan. Sabi ko, parang ikaw yung papagalitan ko kasi may ginawa ka na namang kalokohan eh. So yun lang.
Do you think magiging ganun yung dynamic ninyo?
Well, medyo playful lang ako, friendly, and
Okay.
masayahin tao. You're the type of girl na hindi ako kayang i-handle.
Pero in a relationship, feeling mo ba makaka-take charge ka? Ganun?
Independent person naman ako kasi simula
Okay.
pa lang bata. Well, actually, I am the one who took care of my studies when I was in college. And right now, siguro, hindi lang nagmumukhang ganun kasi masyado friendly ako tingnan. Yung pagiging independent ko, pag mas nakilala mo na ako, para since dun mo ko mas makikilala na kaya kong dalhin yung sarili ko and yung family ko. Ganun.
Okay. Anything to add?
I think bottom line is I think that the vibes doesn't really match
Yeah,
with
I
what
agree.
I'm looking for.
So, hindi mo din siya type?
Hindi ko.
Okay. Sa'yo, anong
Well,
naging reason
I
mo sa'yo?
like independent woman. But, para sa akin, kung hindi mo kayang i-handle yung katulad ko na parang yung energy, yung vibe, I think it is a match. Oo, siguro sa line of girls, well, everyone is beautiful, pero siguro sa line of girls lang, siguro hanap ko yung taong ka-vibe ko na masayahin lang din. Kasi if some people are lonely, are sad, gusto ko damayan yung taong yun. That's why ganito yung personality ko. I appreciate all of you being honest. And ako din naman, naging honest lang din ako. I was energetic, I was playful, I was friendly, but I am responsible.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Anything else that you'd like to add?
Nothing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. Well, unfortunately, wala tayong match sa round na to, but thank you so much for joining. I hope you
you so
can join us again next time.
All right.
Thank you. May pagbay. Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello.
Hello po.
All right. So, what's your name and how old are you?
My name po is Dominic Lindelima and I'm 25 years old po.
Okay. So, Dominic.
Yes po.
Okay. What do you do for a living? Or anong job mo?
I'm a freelance artist and
Okay.
I'm a model po.
Okay. Ano namang hobbies mo? Or what do you like to do for fun?
Magbasa lang po ng books, then basketball po.
Okay. Anong klaseng books yung binabasa mo?
Mga romance.
Oh, okay.
But actually po, I really love reading Bibles. Actually,
okay.
mas favorite ko po talaga.
Okay, so Bible and romance books.
Yes po.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality?
Family-oriented and yung alam po nila yung respeto yung sarili po nila.
Okay. Sa physical, may hanap ka bang specific?
Actually, wala naman po, lahat naman po siguro is maganda.
Deal breakers naman para sa'yo. Pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na.
Siguro yung pag-i-smoke.
Okay, so no to smokers. Alright, well, it looks like may isang nag-pop sa ating lineup, so let's go over there and find out kung bakit siya nag-pop.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm 26. I'm a sales research assistant. So, kaya ako nag-pop kasi hindi ako family-oriented na tao. So, ayun lang.
Deal breaker ba sa'yo na hindi siya family-oriented?
It's not a big deal naman. Pero for me kasi, family is important to us.
Preferred mo lang din talaga sa partner mo na ganun. Okay. How about you? Type mo ba sana siya kung wala siyang ganung requirement? Bakit naman?
Okay lang, pero as a friend, parang ganun, yung vibe ko sa kanya. Yun lang.
Bakit friend?
Mukha naman siya mabait po.
Okay. We still have 1, 2, Never mind. Okay, unahin na kita.
I'm Kyla, 30, a teacher. Kaya ako nag-pop kasi nga, older ako. Tapos, as a tita, mas gusto ko yung stable sa job.
Issue ba sa'yo yung older sa'yo yung magiging partner mo?
For me, no naman po.
Okay lang sa'yo?
Yes po.
Okay.
Basta, yun nga lang po yung sinabi ko is, siguro okay na sa akin yung family-oriented and alam mo, respetuhin yung sarili mo.
Okay. Paano yun? Open naman pala siya to dating older women or mga tita. Joke. Ikaw kasi, are you still open to dating him or set ka na ba?
Ayun naman, parang mas bagay siya sa iba.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya? Kung di siya nag-pop?
Yeah, she's cute by the way.
Okay. Sure ka na doon?
I'm Aya, 27 years old this year. I'm a registered medical technologist, but I actually work as a virtual assistant. So,
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
baby face.
Wait, ano ba age difference ninyo?
Anti lang naman, 2 lang naman.
2 years. Oh.
Pero, baby face eh.
Ano bang preference mo sa sa physical, sa face?
Sorry, I have kasi ate mentality. Parang, hindi ko ask nyo sila. Kanina pa akong nag-aalaga sa kanila. So, ayun yung parang, I don't know. I just really am looking for, as I've mentioned earlier, a person na I could rely on when I'm tired and being, me. So,
Ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Yung the way po siya mag-talk, okay naman din. I like that. Yung sinabi mo na yung being ate, maalaga po siya.
Yeah. Pero sa relationship ba, mas ikaw ba yung nag-aalaga sa partner mo or gusto mong ikaw yung binibaby?
Mas prefer ko po na ako yung nag-aalaga.
Okay. Does that change your mind? Hindi naman pala siya yung nagpapa-baby.
funny pakinggan. Hindi niya naman din daw ako type, so it's a tie. So, okay lang.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons left. So ngayon magtanong ka ng isang question.
Ano yung biggest red flag mo sa guy?
Bree, 24, I manage a property business. Biggest red flag kapag immature about things and cannot lead.
Hello, I'm Sia. I'm 21. I am a student and also I work part-time sa isang theater company. Ang red flag ko sa isang lalaki siguro po yung walang personal hygiene.
Hi, my name is Kiara, 25, student. Red flag, yung
Ano?
walang sense of accountability na lang.
Thea, and 21, psychology student and 4th year. For me, siguro yung red flag is walang respect sa sarili and walang respect din sa ibang tao. Kasi parang if wala kang respect sa sarili mo, wala ka ring respect sa iba. So, that comes. Pero kung ikaw lang, sige, okay lang.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. 2 balloons. Go lang! Buhay mo yan. Okay, and 1 more. So, bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
Wala na eh. Andito na ako eh.
Pero anong reason? Like, 4 sila kanina, so bakit siya yung isa sa pinap mo?
Mukha niya po kasing pinsan ko.
Ito na naman tayo, guys!
Kamukha mo yung wala.
Binabalikan lang eh. Yun lang, dahil kamukha niya yung pinsan mo.
Yes po, kamukha niya.
Okay.
Baka ako yung pinsan mo.
Baka nga.
Eh. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Okay naman po, parang maayos siya manamit, parang ganun. Mukha din siyang malinis.
Sure ka na ba doon? So sa decision mo?
Pwede ba balik na lang yung lobo niya?
Pwede naman. Gusto mo ba?
Yeah, okay lang.
Ikaw, gusto mo ba yung balloon back?
Okay lang po.
Okay! Balik natin yung balloon. Okay, so more on that later. Thank you so much. Okay, and over here, hello. O, bakit siyang isa mo pang piniling ipop?
Maganda naman po siya kaso pogi din eh.
Pogi din?
Oo, pogi
Hindi
din
pwedeng pareho. Oh, any... Ay, nahiya. Ano yun? Any response doon?
Thank you.
O, napablush mo siya. O, type mo ba sa ano siya?
Opo, handa na sana ako magpamaganday kaso okay lang.
Oh, set ka na ba doon?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, alam ko magbaballoon back ka na naman. Hindi na tayo matapos dito. Okay, so friends na lang. Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Okay. So, right now, we have 3 balloons left. So, magtanong ka ng isa pang question.
Your standard po sa guy.
Anong standard? So, mga expectation nila sa
Yes, mga-
partner.
My provider mindset. Someone who can take care of me. Like when I'm sick, ganyan. Marunong mag-alaga. Maybe someone who cooks too.
Yung may plan po para sa future niya. Parang ano po, ginagawa niya ng paraan para yung goals po niya sa life is ma-achieve niya po. Ayan.
Gusto ko sa guy yung very specific. Yung alam niya talaga yung gusto niya sa ayaw niya. Para hindi na lang ako manghuhula kung anong gusto mo.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Sorry.
Kala ko siya ulit. Kakabalik ng balloon. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
I like her vibes. So, I think friend.
You like her vibe pero as a friend lang.
Yes po, as a friend.
Okay, bakit naman friend vibe yung na-feel mo sa kanya?
Parang kahit magrant ako sa kanya, di ako uhusgahan eh.
Ganun ba? Tama ba siya doon?
Ano bang irarant mo? Depende.
Depende.
I-judge mo siya kapag hindi tama, ganun.
Sige.
Pero ikaw ba, friend vibe ba yung tingin mo sa kanya or romantic pwede rin?
Yeah, parang tropa-tropa lang. Shot, puno, gano'n.
Okay, well, we have 2 balloons left, so this time sila naman ang magtatanong sa'yo ng question.
Okay, so where would you take me on a first date?
Mas prefer ko na i-date ka sa mga lugar na hindi mo pa napupuntahan. Mas gusto kong pinaplano siya and mas gusto kong hindi sabihin para surprise.
Ganon?
Malaman kung saan.
Okay, I think
Adjust agad eh. Okay, go. Specific.
siguro kung saan yung maganda yung view.
Okay.
Yeah, like mga ano.
Ano yon? Mag-hiking ba kayo para makapunta
Yeah,
sa
hiking.
view?
Yeah,
Or
hiking.
Okay. Hiking on a first date.
Yes.
Okay.
I've never been into like hiking.
Are you open to it?
Okay lang naman, pero medyo tamad kasi ako.
May iba ka pa bang option?
Sige, ako na lang mag-a-adjust.
O, saan pa? Kung hindi hiking?
Kape na lang.
Kape na lang na may magandang view.
Kape na lang.
Okay ka pa doon?
Oh, yeah.
Kasi po, di ba nabanggit niya po, mahilig siyang magbasa ng Bible. Ano na lang po yung parang Bible verse po niya sa kanya po.
Kapag tama na yung oras, ibibigay din siya ni God sa'yo.
Okay, so since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, ikaw ang mamimili. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop. Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, so bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
Gusto ko kasama sa simbang gabi.
Okay.
Simbang gabi.
Sa December
Friends,
pa.
Simbang gabi, December.
Hiking na lang kami. Yan
Ay, pwede din.
yun
Gusto kasi yung
gusto
vibes
ko.
niya.
Friend vibe din ba for you?
Opo, parang ganun. Hindi ko parang gusto ko siya tropahin na lang.
Dahil ba sinabi niya yon? Or before that, ganun din ba yung nafe-feel mo?
Opo, parang gusto ko na nga din po ipop, natatakot lang din ako. Pero okay na din, okay lang din po yung parang respect na lang din po sa, okay to.
Nagreto bigla eh. Bagay ka doon. Tinuro.
Oh, palag-palag.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here. Woohoo! Okay, so before we proceed, may final questions pa ba kayo for each other? Wala. Ikaw wala. Ikaw?
Wala naman.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
That room.
Ano na naman? Kanina pa eh, no? Oh, ano?
I feel like hindi tayo super swak.
Bakit mo naman nasabi yun?
Parang nakikita ko sa kanya, baby boy.
Meaning?
Parang ako pa yung magbe-baby sa kanya. Ganun.
Ganun ba? Totoo ba yun?
Di ko din po alam kasi mas gusto kong ako yung ng baby.
Oh.
Siguro it's just the vibes na
Yeah.
you're giving me.
But because he said that, does that change your mind?
Hindi.
So, baby vibes talaga nakukuha mo kahit sabihin niya yun.
Parang siyang baby brother ko. He dresses up like my baby brother as well. Has the same hair as my baby brother. Yeah, pero okay naman. He's poggy naman.
So, baby brother zone. Do you have any response to what she said?
Wala na, I respect her decision.
Okay, alright. Well, inom na lang daw.
Pwede.
Dami yung kainuman later. Okay. Alright, friend mo na silang lahat. Okay, well, that's nice, I guess. Well, unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you.
Thank
you
you.
for joining.
thank
Hope you
you
can
so
join us again next time.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Jacob and I'm 31.
Okay, Jacob. Anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I do have a remote job. Yeah, so basically sales.
Okay.
Based in Canada. But now I'm living here in the Philippines.
Okay, so you're based here now.
Yes, living the life.
Okay. All right. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
I like playing basketball,
Okay.
video games sometimes. I like a chill vibe, like coffee shops. I like going walks, workout,
Okay.
and trying to stay healthy as much as possible.
Okay, cool. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality?
I want somebody that's nice, obviously. Somebody
Okay.
that can love me the way I would love them. And I'm very, very easy to please. So
Okay.
I just want somebody that will be there for me the way I would be there for her, right?
Okay, someone to reciprocate.
Yes,
Ganon.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
So physical naman, anong hanap mo?
I look for somebody that's like fit a little bit, you know.
Fit.
Not necessarily like workout, but it's like take care of your body. Because like it all starts there, and from there,
Okay. How about mga deal breakers? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na? Wala pa nga. Okay, go.
I guess somebody that has like cheating history before.
Okay.
Somebody like because for me I'm the type of person that can deal with anything.
Except for cheating.
Except for cheating, then
Okay.
I'm very chill, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, it seems like may mga nag-pop ng balloon sa ating lineup. So let's go over there and find out kung bakit.
I'm Sia. I'm 21. I'm a student.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
English eh!
You speak Filipino?
I understand Filipino naman. I do
understand,
naman.
but-
Yes, I'm still
okay.
trying to learn, but I do speak.
Oh.
Tapos po gusto niya po fit. Inuubo na ako. Parang nagkakasakit na ako eh.
Pasok ba siya sa description mo of fit?
I'm sorry?
Pasok ba siya sa description mo of fit? Like, does she fit like what you were describing earlier na physically fit, gano'n?
Yeah, she
Does she
looks
fit your
okay. Yeah.
type?
She looks okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay naman daw. Ano ba? May tubig kami dyan. Gusto mo? Sure ka. Bigyan niyo nga tubig to. Parang di ko alam. Alright. So, paano yan? Sabi niya, pasok ka naman daw pala sa kanya physically.
Ano din po yung age, yun din po. Opo, marami pong ano.
Anong ibig sabihin nun? Paki-translate, people in the comments. Anong meaning ng
Opo, marami. Yun po, parang hindi po kami hindi, marami pong... Okay na po. Ayaw.
So, hindi mo siya type. Kasi maraming
Opo.
How about you? Type mo ba sana siya? To date?
No, not really.
No, why?
I guess everybody have their preference, just not mine.
Okay.
I do respect like your preference and yeah.
Okay. So she doesn't fit is it her personality or her physical?
I just like for me like I don't want somebody that don't want me. So it's
okay.
just like I'm just that kind of person. Like I want you to want me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay na.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm 26. I'm a sales research assistant. So the reason why I pop is because, admittedly, I don't think I am your type physically. So that's all.
Is she right about that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But thanks for being honest. Like.
Pero ba, type mo ba sana siya? Why not?
The way he talks and the way he presents himself. That's all.
Do you get that a lot or is this the first time you're hearing that?
Actually, I don't know. A lot of people look at me like I'm an F boy or
Are you?
Like, no, like a lot of people look at me that way, just the way I
That's
am,
the impression.
I guess, impression, but I'm actually kind of like a lover boy. To be honest with you, yeah.
Okay. Are you like date a girl one at a time? Ganon.
Yes, because for me, like I experienced cheating, like getting cheated on before,
Right.
so it's something that I wouldn't really do to somebody. For me, I just got that vibe, but
But it's not true.
I'm a lover boy. yeah.
Okay.
Thea, 21 years old, and I'm a psychology student, 4th year. I think we can be bros.
Another bro for you.
Another bro for me.
Okay. How about for you? Is she someone you would date or is she a bro?
Yeah, she's like a bro. Like,
Okay.
you know, I like the fit though. I like the fit.
Thank you. I like the fit, but I wish you wore pants.
Oh, okay. You would prefer that he wears pants. Any comment on that?
Not really.
Okay.
I like the fit.
Yeah.
It's so you. Very
yeah.
vibey.
All right. Thank you so much.
My name is Aya. I'm 27 years old this year, and I'm a registered medical technologist in the Philippines, and I work as a virtual assistant. It's a no for me. It's because you're like my uncle who just got home from the U.S. and like so it's like mix of my uncle and my kuya from Australia. So it's like I don't want to date them. So nothing personal, but I like your earrings. Actually like your accessories,
Thank you,
the
thank you.
layering and stuff. But it's just you do not want to date your family. So that's it.
Any response to that?
I do understand. I understand that. Yeah.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help get to know them better.
What is something that you wouldn't tolerate as a partner?
Hi, I'm Kyle, 30, a teacher. Not tolerating addiction, bad habits, of course, lies. I don't like.
Okay, so no to liars and yung mga may addictions. Okay, thank you so much.
Pre-24, I manage a rental business. Cheating, manipulation, lying.
I'm Kiara, 25, student. The way how you treat other people, kailangan just keep doing good deeds lang. Ganon. Gets mo? Gets mo?
Yes, I got it.
Yun, ganon.
Buti nagkaintindi. Bagay daw kayo. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop. Okay. Alright, so bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
The answers are good, so I just based it on like my preference as
Okay.
a partner.
So she doesn't fit your preference?
No, but I'm sure you're beautiful in your own way, and somebody would like you the way, somebody would like you, but unfortunately it just wasn't me, and
Okay. Is there anything specific about her that you didn't like?
I guess the glasses, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
But you look good though, you look good, yeah.
Okay, just not your preference. Okay,
Yes.
any response to that?
No.
Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi pa. Nag-try lang ako mag-judgmental. Di sa style.
Pero ikaw, preference mo ba siya?
Hindi rin po.
Anong preference mo sa guy?
Manly, decent. Magsuot. Na damit.
So, hindi siya pasok doon.
Hindi pa.
Do you have any response to that?
I'm not really. It's me, so I do understand, but I don't take no offense to that, and yeah,
Okay.
I appreciate your input.
Since we have 2 balloons left, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo
Sure.
to help them figure out if you're a good match for them.
Okay, so you're 30, right? 31.
Everyone.
Do you have like children?
No kids, no.
Okay.
Type mo ba ako?
Eh, pag hindi. Okay. Type mo ba siya?
I'm sorry, not really.
Oh, okay. So, what? Oh, okay. What is this? Camaraderie? What is this? Okay, so, bakit hindi mo siya type?
I don't know. I just get a vibe that just like a friend vibe kind of thing, Like you look cool and chill.
Okay. Do you feel the same way?
Kuya, talaga. Kasi kuya ko 32, 31. Lapit lang.
Shot yan na naman kayo. Okay, so you guys are both set on that decision already. Just friend vibes over here.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, what happened over here? Okay. So, what happened, Bella daw? Oh, bakit? Ikaw na naman kasi dito. Tapos ipapop mo na naman. Oh, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
So I feel like you're social butterfly, right?
Are you a social butterfly? Would you call yourself?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so I feel like we're the same and we would clash. Yeah.
For being too similar?
Yeah, I think so.
In what way? Like, anong example na mangyayari?
Like, I'm very madaldal. He's also very madaldal. So I feel like we would clash talaga.
I don't
So,
think
walang-
so. I don't think so. I could easily adjust, but if that's how you feel, I do respect that. But I do like you. You're
Thank
pretty
you.
good.
So, would you call yourself a good listener?
Yes, I think so. I think so.
Okay.
It's actually one of the things that I can say about myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, does that change your mind at all? Hindi naman pala parehong madaldal, pwede naman mag-take turns.
Na lang mamaya. Shot na lang tayo.
Okay. Type ka pa naman sana niya. Set ka na doon?
Okay na.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. Well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much for joining, and I
Thank you
hope
so
you can
much.
join us again
I
next
appreciate
time.
it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Live